This video will explain how to install the AssayFit Pro add-in for Microsoft Excel. This will be explained for a Windows and a Mac OS operating system. Go to the AssayFit Pro website and click on the button to download the add-in. Save it to your disk. The file is in compressed format. Select the file and click Extract. Then copy the extracted file and copy it to a permanent location on your disk. In this example, I have made a folder named Add-in on the hard drive. Copy the file to this location. Then open Microsoft Excel and select File, and then Options. Then click on Add-in, and then click the Go button. You can now see a list with already installed add-ins. When the Browse button is clicked, the software shows the default location for the add-ins. You can install the add-in here, however in this example we are using a custom location. After clicking the Browse button, navigate to the add-in folder and select the add-in. AssayFit Pro will now be shown in the list of add-ins. When you click OK, you can immediately observe a menu item added to the menu. When clicking on it, you can see the AssayFit Pro ribbon with its buttons. We can now add our custom location to the trusted locations within Excel. To do so, go to Options and then Trust Center. Click on Trust Center Settings. Check the security settings in the Add-in tab. Check the macro settings. The recommended setting here is Disable VBA macro with notification. Click on Trusted Locations and click the Add New Location button. Then navigate to the folder containing the add-in and select it. The location is displayed. You can also click to enable subfolders to be trusted. Click on OK. The add-in folder has now been added to the trusted location list. Because the location is now trusted, the AssayFit Pro add-in will always be loaded when Excel starts. On Mac OS, the process of installing an add-in is similar to that on Windows. First, download the add-in from the AssayFit website. Safari downloads it to the download folder. Then copy the add-in to a writable location. In this case, I will copy it to the desktop. Then open Microsoft Excel with a new document. Click on the Tools menu and then choose Add-ins. A list with already installed add-ins is visible. Click on the Browse button. Then navigate to the add-in and click Open. The AssayFit Pro add-in is added to the menu. When clicking OK, the AssayFit Pro menu will appear. If you click on it, you can see all the AssayFit Pro buttons. Now the add-in is installed and you can use it in any Microsoft Excel document. Thank you for your attention, and we hope to see you in the next video.